Okay, here's my video for Banggood. These are the RCX 1804 2400 kV brushless motors I bought from my mini quad. Terrible quality control. Like I said, they need to do something about this. You know, 3 out of these 4 motors seem to be pretty okay. Just the fourth motor is no good. What I'm talking about here is my main complaint is the bearings. The main bearings are no good. Now this one has a pretty good main bearing. As you can see, it's pretty stiff, right? No movement of the can itself. But here's the bad motor in question. As you can see, it's a lot of flex from the motor itself. See all that rocking? The motor is properly secured on the bottom. Nice and tight. Alright. But as you can see, this is a lot of flexing in here. Right? So they're gonna have to give me a new motor right there. That motor is no good. I spin it. Hear that noise? It's a bad motor. Bad bearings. Hear how smooth that one is? Nice and smooth. All that noise? Bad. This is good. That's bad. Thank you for watching.